If you love the taste of real pistachio, not the imitation almond pistachio flavor so common in American ice cream, then this recipe is for you. This creamy, light, and flavorful granita will be your new favorite pistachio dessert. There are 2 versions of granita in Sicily. Today we're making the slushier type, my preferred, in a home gelato or ice cream machine just as it's done in gelato shops. And we're going to be using leftover sorbet syrup for extra smoothness. You'll find our sorbet syrup recipes linked in the description below, along with the full pistachio granita recipe and a link to pure pistachio paste you can purchase online. 100% pistachio paste is key for that authentic gelato shop flavor. Watch to the end for important tips. Let's get started. Serve this granita on its own with fresh gelato shop whipped cream or over fior di latte gelato for an incredible flavor and texture combo. Here are some tips for a perfect pistachio granita. Number 1, don't overchurn it, otherwise you'll end up with pistachio sorbet. Number 2, serve it immediately. If you need to hold it, freeze it for a maximum of 30 minutes, stirring every 5 to 10 minutes so it's ready when you serve it. Number 3, don't have any sorbet syrup? Substitute granulated sugar like in my strawberry granita recipe and adjust as needed. Number 4, try the same recipe with almond paste and almonds for a delicious almond granita. This recipe comes so close to transporting you to Sicily on a hot summer day. I hope you like it. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato.